Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI assistant that is designed to boost productivity within the workplace by integrating directly into the Microsoft 365 suite of apps. Unlike the free general purpose Microsoft Copilot, this is a premium enterprise grade tool that operates on a user's own organizational data. Here's a detailed overview of what Microsoft 365 Copilot is, how it works, and how to use it effectively. Now, let's start with what it is. Microsoft 365 Copilot is an AI powered assistant that combines the power of large language models, that is LLMs, with an organization's internal data, which is securely stored in the Microsoft Graph, including emails, chats, documents, meetings, and even calendar. This allows it to provide highly personalized, contextualized assistance. Think of it as having a personal assistant embedded in every Microsoft 365 application you use. In Word, it can draft documents from a simple prompt, summarize a long document, or even rewrite a section for clarity and tone. In Excel, it can analyze data, identify trends, generate charts, and write complex formulas from natural language commands. In PowerPoint, it can create presentations from a Word document or an outline, generate compelling visuals, and even summarize a presentation. While in Outlook, it can summarize long email threads, draft suggested replies, and help you manage your inbox more efficiently. In Teams, it can provide real-time meeting summaries, highlight key discussion points, and generate action items from a conversation. Now, this is how it works, the Copilot system. Microsoft 365 Copilot operates on a sophisticated orchestration engine that works in the background. First, we have prompting. You can give it a natural language prompt to Copilot in an application, e.g., draft a project proposal for our new product launch based on the data in this spreadsheet. Also, we have grounding. The system then takes your prompt and, using the Microsoft Graph, grounds it in your organizational data. It searches for relevant documents, emails, charts, and other content related to your prompt. Also, we have LLM interaction. It sends the grounded data along with your prompt to a powerful LLM that is like OpenAI's GPT-5 to generate a response. Also, we have security and compliance. A critical part of this process is that Copilot respects all of your organizational security, compliance, and private policies. It only accesses data you have permission to see, and it never uses your company's data to train its models. Also, we have application response. The response is then returned to the application you are working in, ready for you to review, edit, or discard. You are always in control. Now, this is how to use it effectively. Using Microsoft 365 Copilot is all about learning to prompt it for the most effective results. Be specific and provide context. The more information you give Copilot, the better its responses will be. Instead of write a document, try draft a business proposal for the Q4 marketing plan based on my notes from last week's team meeting. Focus on the budget and key performance indicators. That prompt would be great. Also, combine different data sources. One of its greatest strengths is its ability to work across applications. For instance, you can ask it in PowerPoint to create a presentation based on this Word document and the Q4 sales data in the Excel spreadsheet. Also, iterate and refine. Don't expect the first response to be perfect. Use follow-up prompts to refine the output. For example, can you add a chart showing the data for the past 3 quarters? Also, use the Copilot function in Excel. Microsoft has added a Copilot double bracket function in Excel that lets you generate formulas using natural language prompts. Practice with the Copilot app as well. The general purpose Microsoft Copilot app can be used to practice your prompting skills. The principles of effective prompting are the same, and it's a good way to get a feel of how the AI works before using it with your sensitive business data. Now we also have cost and availability. Microsoft 365 Copilot is a premium add-on for Microsoft 365 business subscribers. It requires a qualifying plan like Microsoft 365 Business Standard or Enterprise and an additional monthly fee per user. It's not included in consumer level Microsoft 365 subscriptions. And that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.